Hello friends, welcome to our channel Connect Yourself, and today we are going to discuss a very important chapter, how to change default sound device in Windows 10. Friends, before starting discussion, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe this for regular update of our channel. Friends, today's topic is how to change default sound device in Windows 10. Windows 10 lets you change default sound device such as headphones, speakers, Bluetooth, headsets, earphones easily. Sometimes an audio equipment does not play when you input its cable into port unless setting it as a default. In addition, few users want to know the way generally so that they could switch the audio device setting. You can follow the method for both the purpose ahead. How to change default sound device in Windows 10. There are quite a few processes in order to do so. These are: first, through taskbar, the easiest way for few seconds. Step 1. Head to notification area in the taskbar and click on the speaker icon. Step 2. Click on the expansion up arrow as indicated in the picture below. You will not notice this arrow if you do not have more than one device connected. Step 3. Select the default sound device from the menu that you prefer to use. See this picture. Thus, window will switch the default audio device one upon your choice. Next, using setting application. Step 1. Use Win plus I hotkeys for the sake of opening the built-in setting application. Instead, you can also use your preferred ways to launch the same. Click on the system icon from lots of categories. Step 2. Upon opening system page, hit on sound section from the left page. Step 3. Additional setting will available on the corresponding right side. Quickly head to choose your output device section and click its drop down to select your preferred one. You can leave the page if you have successfully completed the task. Look at the picture. Note, remember you cannot select preferable audio device if you would not connect more than one device. More methods are available, do the same. If you find this one difficult, you can try the next one. Next, assessing sound setting. Step 1. Here also go to the system tray and then do a right click on the speaker icon. From the few options, click sound, see snapshots. Step 2. Switch to the playback tab and you can see all the connected audio devices listed out. Step 3. Choose the playback device you wish to use and perform a click set default button. Opting this way will enable both default device as well as default communications devices. Look at the picture. Step 4. As an alternative, right click the device of your choice and click set as default device as depicted in the given picture. Step 5. Lastly, hit apply and OK buttons to change default sound device on your PC. So these are the three best ways that will let the system to change default sound device in Windows 10 according to your choice. Setting an audio device into default allows you to play sound from a computer with the audio peripheral you want. Microsoft made will this task easier to execute, providing settings options. However, other ways are also available to do the same. Therefore, we tried to cover all the possible means to change default sound device in Windows 10. You can use any one of these or try another to get the desired output. Then friends, I hope you will like this video and also subscribe my channel.